kusekho nepiano emnyango kukokota mna akusakhuphi neciko egemini baxelela mna indlela zakhe bengenzi igcwele ithambo hottest evutho kwembawula sitting. I go by Rap Holy, that's my stage name. The real name is Ukonele Okomatamo, all the way from the Eastern Cape. I'm a local artist, a rapper, music writer, and mostly a singer.
So,
I'd say in the early 2016, but at the time it was different. You see, I used to do gospel a lot because each and every Sunday I used to go to church, stuff like that. But then 2018, that's when I switched to hip hop. Due to the people I had around me, man. You see, they always wrote this Paza hip hop. So my mind actually went to the hip hop style a lot more than the gospel that I used to write because the people I was around with, they never went to church that much, so they wrote hip hop and everything. That's when it became.
Okay, so there's just someone man oye waku-inspiration phana kwi-hip hop ukhona okanye akekho?
Yeah man, there's a couple of people did that, but mostly it's STC.
Okay.
STC played a role. No parts actually, yeah, it's STC.
Oh, okay. So kule ndiza kwijourney yakho nena since uhambile usebenze nobani and now waphuma kwenza is it an album or single tracks? Tell us more about your music.
Music wise, I've worked with a lot of people, but I mostly have singles. I don't have any EP.
Yeah.
I don't have an album. I mostly have singles. Yeah.
So first single track yakho owayibhala isithini and usebenza nobani?
First single track, that must be in 2018. There was a song that was written by this other guy called Blood Beast back in high school. The song when it was called, what was it called? Ukukanya. It was Ukukanya, yeah. But it never came out.
Okay.
The only song that I wrote, which is a single, that was my first song to be out there. What was it called? I don't know the song, but it was a love song. I still have it on my phone.
So kundandiza kummusic wakho usebenzile and now ke ngoku ne kubantu abangaphandle like abamamele umusic wakho like amajita asakhulayo asalingana nawe namachiri asalingana nawe like yeyiphi inspiration abanikeza yona okanye imfundiso abanikeza regarding umusic wakho?
Regarding my music, okay, I'm gonna speak about what's going on right now, man. Regarding my music on what's going on right now, it's more about Pikasi, what's happening around.
Yeah.
That's made by what I've seen that around the Pikasi. The only thing that people pay attention to is Xhosa rap, which is a Xhosa wave thing, man. So the only thing people can learn much though is what's going on around. Shit that's going on around and who I really am. I write up on myself mostly lately.
Okay. So there are challenges also ke wadlula kuzo okanye azikho challenges if ever zikhona, tell us more about the challenges.
Challenges, I faced a lot of challenges, man. You see, had a lot of challenges to the point whereby I was like, I'm really alone out here. Everything that I'm doing is just me. There's no one to give support to anything that I'm doing. So that led to me being what you call this, an individual, which mostly led to me writing music because the minute I'm alone, I write poetry, and poetry is turned into raps and yeah. The challenges that I'm mostly faced, it wasn't a drug challenge, it was a challenge whereby Andy Stoned,
Yeah.
to the point whereby if even so I ended up doing those things even outside of home. And look, Ekasi where I used to stay, it happened a lot, but then yeah, man.
Okay. So in terms of these challenges, now what months about China tribes. So as tribes is who's better than magic, okanye buziba just to one. Yeah.
Mostly Maniti. It was just me and the gang.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
was me and the gang because we used to do that shit in high school. So it was me and the gang obviously because You wouldn't smoke alone, it's on your own time, like that. No one's gonna come. So it was just me and the gang.
Okay, so kule nto kubantu abakubukeleyo ne amajita amaninzi abukeleyo namamedia abukeleyo amaninzi, so uthini kubo about into edilisene ne-drug kubo nento edilisene ne-alcohol, because now eSouth Africa fumanise uba abantwana abancinci bayatshaya abantu kakhulu, and now abantwana abancinci basela utywala, so uthini kubo?
I believe in a world whereby they say you will never change unless you really want to change. No one can really change you. See? So if that person is out there smoking, and that smoking thing helps him escape a lot. Not saying smoking is right, but the only way you can escape such stuff is write what's in your head. That's if you're smoking and drinking because you are under pressure of something, or you have something deep in you. Now you can't speak about it. Write something down, man.
Wow.
Because drugs are never a good way of living. So you rather sit down, write that shit to yourself, read it to yourself, stand in the mirror, have that mirror talk, and I swear that thing helps. Helps a lot.
Right, two things. Shotai. I just want to know, man, nane-verses zami into yokokuba now silindele ntoni kwe-record, ntoni esilindeleyo kwe-record about umusic wayo.
Yo, bro, you guys should expect a lot.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of artists I'm working with, huge artists for me. I want to do a Xhosa Wave EP with those artists, big artists. I'm speaking about Umakasa, Good Legend, a couple of Xhosa Wave rappers.
So much of nisebenza nawo.
Yeah, it's the people that I have in my contact list that we are speaking about this and planning to make it come through. I already have them on my corner, but now I've got to, go through the process of everything. Yeah.
Okay. So abantu baku-social zakho bathi xa bekulandela umculo wakho ufuna kanjani so that sibaleke sephayana sedalota and bakufuna njani for ii-bookings abantu abaninzi nanku uDisemba usondele?
Yeah, it's rap only everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And I've only got my songs on YouTube, so you can go check them out there. It's straight rap only.
So in number probably phone change number phone.
So you can check me out on 060-590-2088. That's if I answer you, bro. I'm quite busy lately.
Yeah.
Xhosa Wave, you see when they speak about Xhosa Wave,
Yeah.
making moves. I'm in that process. So if I don't answer you, don't feel bad, bro. Just text something. I'll get to you.
Mina ngiyapush angidlale, yeah. Mina ngiyapush angidlale, yeah. Mina